In this lesson, I would like to talk about a tip for interior designers. We will talk about how we can increase the appearance of our interior by adding gold as a material, as a Vray material, to some of the details in our space or our interior that we are designing. In front, you can see the final image or the final render with post-production of a small bathroom. I'll get to Max in a moment, but before we get to Max, I would like to point out a few things. Sometimes the spaces that we are designing may be not so big. Still, the clients expect from us as designers, as interior designers, ideas that will turn into results and that will create from those small spaces interiors with desired mood and atmosphere. I'll get to Max so you can see the raw image that we obtained after the render. And also I would like to talk about the use of gold in interiors. We could have used chrome as usual for our details, but instead we decided to use gold. I will make a test in a few moments so you can see how it looks with chrome and with gold. Replacing chrome with gold material in Vray can definitely make the interior of a scene look more luxurious, as gold is often associated with wealth, opulence and extravagance. We must definitely pay attention to the proportion of gold that we are using for our interior. For sure, we don't want to overuse it, so don't turn to a mauvais ton. But keeping the interiors too simple, also, it's not a very good idea. Gold is often associated with luxury in interior design because of its rich, warm color and its ability to reflect light in a way that creates a sense of depth and richness. When used in moderation with care, gold accents can add a touch of glamour and sophistication to the space. And here are some ways that we can use gold in interior design to create a luxurious look. Accessories and accents. One of the easiest ways to incorporate gold in our interior. And one more very important step, we have to choose the right shade of gold. We will talk about how we can create Vray materials, the Vray gold materials, in the next lessons. But for now, I would like to point out that there are many different shades of gold, ranging from pale yellow to rich deep gold. We have to choose the right shade of gold depending what we are creating or depending on the colors that we are using in our room or our space. We will make a small test. I'll switch back the details, for example for the shower. We will switch them back to chrome and then we will compare how they look with chrome material and how they look in gold. As you can see, the gold looks much better. It gives us the sense of luxury and richness. We will talk about how we can create the gold material in the next lessons.